Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix GitHub rate limits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. While using the GitHub REST API, you know that there are some limits for your GitHub calls or the API calls. And basically this is just to allow all the users so they can start using the GitHub uh, thing or the GitHub API. So as you can see, it is limited, so they can allow all the users to use the API, of course. And basically here there are some few ways to use just to decrease the number of calls so you can economize a little bit for the calls or the API calls. And basically it is really related. One of the things that you can try is to have a GitHub Enterprise organization. It is costly because this is kind of a premium plan that you can try, but still it will start adding some more request call for you while using a personal account or a personal GitHub account. You will have some rate limits, and it can be much doubled or more than double for a GitHub organization, and then you can try to take advantage of that. But still, this is just a premium solution. Otherwise, there are here in the Stack Overflow some things that you can try to use. And basically, this person says to make a new personal access token, and you can get it from your settings. So basically, from the settings, you will be needing to go to your developer settings, and you will go to tokens. And basically, on the personal access token, you can create, generate your token, etc. And you can start using it into the API, and basically here you can use a fetch method with the JavaScript in case you are coding with JavaScript, and you can do that with any other fetch option with any other language, and then add just the header for your authorization, which would be your access token, and then start using your API. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.